Hi, welcome to the Walton Vale Community Shop. I'm Helen, I'm one of the volunteers here, and I'd like to talk to you about slow cooking. It has many advantages, including being more economical, better nutrition and better time efficiency. Stay tuned and I'll go for a recipe with you. Today I am doing a slow cooker English breakfast. This is one that I found on social media and I just had to try. So the ingredients I'm using today are sausages, bacon, mushrooms and tomatoes. So we start by chopping the mushrooms into a cup. Add the tomatoes to another cup. Take the sausages and place around the slow cooker. I'm saving one to explain later. The best thing to do is to roll the bacon and pop in the pot. Put the mushrooms and the tomatoes in. One thing I've found whilst experimenting with this recipe is the bacon goes very crispy. If you like your bacon less crisp, if you take your sausage and roll it around the bacon and make it more like a pig in blanket, place that in your pot. Season the mushrooms and tomatoes with pepper and salt. Replace the lid and cook overnight for approximately 8 to 9 hours. And when you wake up, you'll have your English breakfast waiting for you. You can also use beans in the cups. You can use eggs in the cup. If you crack them into the glass and then mix them up, they turn out a little bit like scrambled egg. Or tinned plum tomatoes are fantastic as well. These are just some ideas that I've been playing about with for the last week. Another dish I've been quite interested in, which I haven't brought in today, but you could try at home, is porridge done in a slow cooker. Again, add the porridge out, add the milk, and you wake up in the morning to a nice nutritious breakfast.